So, well, it's Wednesday, so tomorrow's the big day for us. Any transit users, bus users that have lost the service, any family members, anything like that. Tomorrow about 10:20, 10:30, we'll meet at the community center and start into city for our City Hall meeting, where everyone will have a chance to speak for 5 minutes. So if you need a drive to the community center, or if you're just gonna jump on as we go down through South Beaver Bank, either way, on the Beaver Bank Facebook Community Watch page, we got a spot. If you need a ride, communicate it. We need to have people there and show a strong group of support and solidarity. So, Community Center, 10:20, 10:30. I'll be picking people up in North Beaver Bank that need a ride, as well as some other people. And then 10:40, we get on the 86 to get to the Sackville Terminal. We'll transfer on to the 8, and that gets us right to Scotia Square, right beside City Hall. We'll have a little bit of time beforehand, before 1 o'clock. So bring a little brown baggy lunch and stuff. We're going to be able to share some stories, or we may have some reporters with us, and get the message out that taking the bus away is not okay. The meeting's at 1 o'clock, and then it will come to the public consultation portion. And that's where we each get our 5 minutes. So the more people we have to speak, great. The more people wearing red and black, great. Strong visual message that we're together on this and we want it back. It's a service we've had for 30 years. Families have relied upon it. And people live here because of it. Hey, guess what's coming? The 86 is coming! Alright. Let's get that bus going all the way back to where it belongs, to the community up at the villa, because that community is still there. They have a continuing care facility that needs that service, and this also affects their ability to get Accessibus. Any new clients, they can't get it. So the meeting should be about 2 hours, so 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. And then we'll jump on the 186 Express back to the community center. So I'm thinking we should be home 4-ish at the Beaver Bank Community Center. And yes, people that need a ride back to their house in North Beaver Bank, we got you. We're with you. We're doing this for you. And so anybody that can come, please, let's fill a bus. That'd be pretty cool. And bring your red and black, and the most important thing is bring your stories. You can post on the Facebook on Beaver Bank Community Watch, or you can send an email to beaverbanktransit@gmail.com.
So my name's Matt with Dagley Media, and I'll also be riding the bus with everyone from Beaver Bank tomorrow. So if you have any stories you want to share on the bus ride down, just see me tomorrow and we'll make that happen. It's the only way to get the message out.
Yep. And what we may take some time doing is reading some of the letters people wrote. You know, we had 60 people show up, and I got a stack of handwritten letters with some very important stories that need to be told. So anybody that did come to the meeting, hope you make it out with us tomorrow. If not, don't worry. We'll get your story spread and make sure that people know that it's not okay. Take that bus away.
We'll get those letters and emails read on video. Yeah.
Have a good night. Have fun shoveling and plowing. And be in touch. Let us know if you need a ride. Thank you.